Okay, so let's look at the contents that come in the laser pack. We have the adjustable tripod, the laser itself, one lined beam end cap, and also that's fixed to this laser already is a spotted beam end cap, and they simply unscrew and you can change one beam option for the other. One rechargeable battery, one battery charger complete with USB connector, and finally we have the protective pouch that all the contents neatly fit into. Okay, let's talk more about the features about the laser pack. Let's start with the laser itself. So the laser comes with two different end caps. One projects a spot, and the second one projects a line. And the colour of the laser is quite a bright green colour, so it's very good for indoor use and also outdoor use, even in strong sunlight. If you want to change the end cap, depending on your preference with the laser beam, then you simply unscrew one end cap and screw the other one on securely. On the base of the laser, we also have what we call another leg, and this screws in and out so you can adjust the height of the laser if you're just using the laser on its own on the ground. We've obviously got the tripod, and this is a fully adjustable tripod. It has three legs that open up, and it has two settings on the legs. So we've got one setting for this height, and then you just rotate and we can make the legs go wider, so it's even more stable. We've also got a screw on the side, and this is fully adjustable, this ball that rotates around. That's helpful if you want to slightly adjust the angle or the direction of the beam that you're using on the laser. We've got a rechargeable battery, and also the battery charger itself comes with a USB connector. So very easy to charge the battery. You can either use it in a PC or a laptop, or if you have a USB plug, the type that you would get with an iPhone charger, then you can easily just connect the end into that plug and start charging the battery. Okay, one benefit of using the laser is you can test putter face alignment relative to your or your pupil's intended target. Now, ideally, when you're using the laser this way, ideally you would use, or you would have another person to help you. Obviously, if you're the coach and you've got the pupil, then that's easy to do. So you would ask the player to take their address position and then take their normal setup and tell you when they feel the face is aiming to the target. You would simply ask them to stay pretty still, keeping the face pretty steady, remove the ball, put the back edge of the laser flush to the face, and then simply switch the face on. And you can see where they're aiming relative to their intended target or relative to their intended aim. So I'm using the aim board here from 5 feet, and we can see on the aim board there's some numbers on the top, and they signify degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees. So we're able to measure the degree of error, if there is any, with the player. Another great benefit of using the laser and the tripod together, it helps elevate the laser and the beam that you're using. This is ideal with the lined end cap, which projects the lined beam. So I've set this up on a straight 13-foot putt. Simply switch the laser on and then hit some putts. And you can measure your starting line direction. Also, when I address the ball, I can actually clearly see what square feels like relative to the straight line. Okay, you can see here that I'm going to use the laser across a breaking putt. Now we've got a right to left putt, 2% slope. I know where my aim line is, so I've aligned the laser directly behind the ball, aiming at that aim point in the distance. This is for a speed of 1 foot past. Let's see if I can start the ball on line and then match my speed also. Ooh, just caught the left half. So another benefit that you can use the laser for is if you need to set up the likes of Quintic ball roll or Sandput lab, then the laser's ideal for calibrating the system.